Hey guys, it's Shirley. So I recently went on a bit of a Rabeanco handbag shopping spree. So I thought we could do an unboxing together and do a first impressions review. So this bag is the Nina Crescent Cowboy Shoulder Bag. They just dropped this style. It's new for summer 2024, and there's a lot of cowboy elements in the styling and design. You can tell these pockets are kind of inspired by like jean pockets, which I think is just a cool design detail. But I really like how they incorporated that design into more functionality. So all of these additional pockets are all actual real pockets that you could use to put like your keys or any little small knickknacks in here that you want for easy access. So this style again is brand new for summer 2024. I got this in the beige color. And then we have the classic Nina Crescent mini shoulder bag. I got this one in a taupey color. This one I believe dropped in 2023, so they released this last year. They're both new, but obviously this one is brand new this year. This is their more classic style. These are both made from calfskin leather, so very, very soft, but the size and shape are identical. They both have the dual adjustable length shoulder straps, so you can carry one. This is the shorter strap length and this is the longer one. And then if I wanted to make the strap shorter, I just unlock the strap and click it in at the shorter length. I feel like this becomes more of a handheld bag. You could still wear it on your arm or on your shoulder. It just is a lot shorter, obviously, but still really cute actually, even as a shoulder bag at this length. Basically, I mean, it's the same exact size and everything, so it sits pretty much exactly the same. They're pretty neutral. I'm wearing a pretty cool tone dress and I feel like they still pair really well with like anything. I feel like they're really versatile. And I also personally love the gold hardware. I just am a gold girly through and through, so I love gold. And then inside there's actually two different compartments. There's one that's kind of an open compartment and then there's a zip up compartment. They're both made of this really soft cow leather, I would say. Compared to some of my other leather bags, they're definitely softer, actually. Probably some of the softest leather bags that I have. And so that kind of gives them more of like a slouchy, casual, relaxed kind of feel to them. The bottom of the bags, however, are quite structured. These are really quite hard. I don't think you could like make them crease if you wanted to. So overall, I would say the bags are semi-structured. They're slouchier and softer on top. Definitely very flexible, but then on the bottom, you can count on them to retain their shape because they are, I don't know what they have, some kind of reinforcement in the bottom of the bag so that they retain their shape. I do really love the size of these. I don't really love huge purses, but I do want them to be functional, so I want them to hold everything I need, and I feel like this is the perfect size. I usually will just carry my wallet, my phone, and my keychain, and that fits pretty much perfectly in this purse. There's not a ton of space for anything else. You'll see when I zip it up, the purse is pretty full. I could maybe squeeze in a few extra things, but that's pretty much all it fits, which is just what I need. I love shoulder bags generally because they're just the perfect size to contain all the essentials like your phone, your keys, your wallet, and a few extras. So I really feel like these are the ideal size. They're also quite slim from the side, so they feel like comfortable under your shoulder. You don't feel like there's like a ton of bulk under your arm. They kind of just fit actually really nicely and kind of just let my arms fall to the side and and it doesn't feel like there's like really anything under my arm. I don't feel like with some bags that are super bulky, I feel like I like can't let my arm rest normally, and with this bag that's really not an issue even when it's at its short length. So I think size and dimension wise, I really like the design. So I'm honestly really happy with both of these purchases. I love these handbags a lot. I think they're incredibly versatile. They'll go with like any outfit. It'll be interesting to see, like, as I continue to use these, how the leather wears and softens up even more. I also feel like this design is like super in right now. So that's my first impressions review of these Rabeanco crescent bags. If you have any other questions, just leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you again soon.